Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. This is a team from Bangladesh. We are here at one of the homes of the receiver of the sewing machine. This is just to show what kind of home they live in, how basic it is. SubhanAllah, this is the state of their living. If you look at it, very basic. Just a standard bed, one room, SubhanAllah, and just some basic utensils. This is how they live. Alhamdulillah, this family is one of the recipients of the sewing machine. So inshallah, it go a long way for them. Jazakallah khair to all those who have sponsored a sewing machine. Jazakallah khair to the person who has sponsored the sewing machine for this family. May it be means of your entry into Jannah al-Firdaus. Jazakallah khair. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. The One Nation team are here in Shahpur at this madrasa where we have Madrasa Darul Ilm. We are here where we are handing out these spinning wheels to some of these ladies who are widows. So this is just one of the spinning wheel here, as you can see. So they'll be able to take these home, set these up at home, and hopefully be able to make lungis which they can sell on. Usually it's mostly lungis that these people will be making through these spinning wheels. Inshallah, allowing them to sell them to the markets and generating their own income. Also, we are handing out around 10 sewing machines. Again, this will allow the women of families to make their own garments, hopefully sell them on as well.